in the ground of the Universal Studios. As usual, dagat tao. Habi ko lang tao. Okay lang kayo.
Sanina ragi pambabayo.
Sutsal kayo, sutsal. Asa ta kaon? Kaon.
Dire.
Inside Universal Studios, we will eat siomai. Huh?
That's it. Look, it's very easy.
But it looks like it's error.
Sure? No.
She just said just for words, sir?
No. It's not.
Maybe. So this is Kluk. We book at Kluk.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
So this is Universal Studios. Na sila yung artificial na snow. Where are you at? Right,
Universal
left.
Studios Singapore. Dire.
Right. This is slightly spoiler to those wapakari. This is what you will see in Universal Studios. I think tuyok ra jud siya. If moadto ka sa left na side dito sa entrance or sa right, tuyok ra pud padong sa left. I think. Feel ko linya ra jud padong gawas.
It is both secure and
furthest seat in your row.
It's like a VR with a ride. Pareha sa Ayala. See you na lang sa exit. Shake. So nice ang experience. Nindot worth it ang taas kayong linya. And right now, naami sa kata-kating roller coaster nga giyahat na lang. Kana. You want to ride this one?
Bali pa jud.
Yummy, you want to try?
Yes.
Sure? Are you sure?
Nana din hit. It comes white.
Okay. I guess we will ride the roller coaster. All rides are free if you get the ticket in Universal Studios. Ang technique lang is sayo lang ang yamin na himong maniniyok. Kalo, inugnaning. Manaday mig lunch, daily day free ang lunch. Voucher na siya for 5% discount sa isa ka tao. Dayon ang plano na mo nga mosakay o roller coaster. Tumusod mi sa castle ni Shrek. Kan Shrek day today. So I think dili gihapon pwede ang record. So we're done in Shrek 4D. So far ang Transformers kay nindot. So ayan na mong sakay itong roller coaster kay murag padong maulan. So mag behind the scene na sa may sayang Instagram. Portrait. Nangita lang sa biglang lugar, na diri daghan. ang uwan. Nindot siya nga portrait photo. Or Instagram, somewhere down. So this is the climax of all. Feel na po. We're going to the roller coaster. Kanang nagbitay, duha man ka class. Bro, ako rin may gitulbaan. Ang usawa. So, di gyapon pwede. This is no GoPro. So, bilhin sa namo. Ding ding ding. Muna ni. So, na-try na mga roller coaster.
Katong yung pinaka paspas kayo.
Lisod ka nang nagbitay ang intiil tapos cyclone. And unfortunately,
Nakumbalik.
di ba kuha ang pictures and wakoy footage kaya di pwede ang GoPro and di na may yung balik para sa amo alang pero nice ba siya, makalipong, makakulba. And tip is ayaw dili ka mupugong pasagdaan nimo salig lang jud sa katungkuan kay kung mapugong ka mura ka malipong. Right. Pero nindot ya, dali ra kayo like
Seconds.
Seconds, yeah.
1 second.
seconds or 1 minute nara na. So karon nanginom sa mig drinks for hydrate mga loya. If ever moari mo diri sa Universal Studios Singapore, try jud sa roller coaster. See you around. So guys, nagulan mag-change ako. So, ready na. Raining but no need to worry.
No need to worry because we're wearing
We're ready.
jacket from Uniqlo.
Uniqlo. Not sponsored. You buy something at Chichala. So we're here now at Jurassic Park. Rawr! Most of the rides are cancelled since it's raining. Among tuyokon ang Jurassic Park. Water World.
Dili pa sundan yan.
Sayang nagulan, so di pa sudlan. Okay, slide. Water World man. Maybe this is the end of the vlog for today here in Universal Studios. So muna ang inyong ma-experience if muari mo diri sa Universal Studios. The rides are nice and worth it. Thank you guys for watching. This is Mondmarquez and this is Hannah. Yum. So bye. See you again for the next vlog. Ciao. So pahabol content. Papamikaabot day diring lugar. Hello. Chala.